Students, let's see this question. And the question says that 2 gram of oxygen contains number of atoms equal to that in. So you have given the mass of oxygen and for that you have to find the number of atoms. वो सेम होने चाहिए इनमें से किसी एक ऑप्शन में से, राइट? सो लेट्स फर्स्ट डिस्कस द की कॉन्सेप्ट ऑफ दिस क्वेश्चन. Now we know that number of moles is equal to given weight upon molecular weight, right? Also we know that number of moles in terms of the number of atoms or the molecules, it is equal to number of atoms or the molecules upon Avogadro's number, right? Now by using these two formulas, let's solve our question. We have been given the mass of oxygen. So let's find the number of moles for oxygen. It will be equal to 2 gram upon molecular weight of oxygen is 16 gram per mole. So it will come out to be 1/8. Now for number of atoms, we will multiply this number of moles by Na, right? So it will be N into Na. And so therefore 1/8 into Na. So these are the number of atoms of oxygen. Now let's move to our options. So for hydrogen, let's calculate. So number of moles of hydrogen, it will be equal to given weight, that is 0.5, then molecular weight 1, right? And for number of atoms, we have to multiply by Na. So number of atoms of hydrogen will be 0.5 Na or 1/2 Na. Then number of atoms. Next for the sulfur, 4 gram. It will be equal to, given weight is 4 gram and the molecular weight of sulfur is 32 into Na for the number of atoms. Then number of atoms of nitrogen. Given weight is 7 gram and the molecular weight is 14 gram per mole. And for number of atoms, multiply by Na. That will come out to be 1/2 Na and this will be 1/8 Na, right? Further, for 2.3 gram of the sodium, number of atoms for sodium. This will be equal to the given weight 2.3 gram upon the molecular weight and then Na. And so it will be equal to 0.1 Na, the number of atoms for the sodium. अब हम देखते हैं इसमें से किसके atoms मैच कर रहे हैं इन ऑप्शंस में से. So we have got 1/8 Na for oxygen और यहाँ पर 1/8 किसका आ रहा है? It is for the sulfur, right? For sulfur it is same to that of number of atoms containing in the oxygen. And so therefore the correct option is B, right?